everybody. So today we're gonna do another activity, and as you see in this bowl, I have some water and I have glitter. I can put it in. So pretend that the glitter is germs, and I have another plate here that's in it. So I put my finger in it. I put it in the water. See what happens? The germs go away. So now we're gonna show something better. So it's without the soap, just with the bowl and the glitter. We're gonna add more. Okay, we added some glitter. And then I got the empty paper here. I put it in the water. Glitter comes on it. Now it's on it the glitter. Now we will let it dry and it will be glittery. Then we can use this paper to make any craft with it. If it's on the glitter or if the craft will be glitter. I hope you like this idea.